गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ अविघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद रामदूत दया सिन्धो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ राम 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 Namaste, Swagatam to all of you who have joined us for the Vishnu Sahasranam Stotram Parayanam journey. As always, my sincere salutations to all the elderly scholars, elderly people who are in this journey, and also thank you for all of you for joining today's class. As announced in the previous class, today's class and the next class will be a practice class of all the shlokas that we have learned in last 7 classes, which is all the Purva Pitika shlokas that we will practice. Um, again, as a request is, all of you can start raising your hands. So I will start calling out the names one by one, and we can keep chanting the shlokas. Number one. Number two, people who have got chance first, maybe you can you need not have to raise the hand for the next class. Today all of you can raise a hand. Next class, whoever has got the chance opportunity, give the opportunity for others. And the I would definitely encourage every participant to raise your hands, to so that we can hear many of you hearing or chanting the shlokas. Thank you. And while chanting the shlokas, um, the let the focus be on the spashtata, which is the which we covered in the first class: alpa prana, mahaprana, anuswara, visarga, things like that. Those so the let the focus be on the letter, the spashtata, and also many of us also have some of the mother tongue influence, so we will try to overcome all those things and try to chant the shloka as it is on the screen. That is what we will do in today's class. But just before that, there were few questions that we can of the last class that we will quickly go through and then move on to the chanting the shlokas. In the shloka slides, can you highlight the Anuswara and Visarga in English also? Okay. What I used to do was only in the Samskrita, in the Devanagari script, I used to highlight, and English I was not. For people who are following in English script, I will try to do that starting next class. This class I've been using the old slides, so today you will not be able to see that. But starting next class, I will try to highlight the English, even in the English script also, the Anuswara Visarga, the way I highlight in the Devanagari script. Thank you. The next one, how to pronounce Anuswara in different places. This is a repeated question. I guess we have covered this twice or thrice. There are at least 3 different ways in Anuswara is pronounced in different places. My suggestion is go to our first class 1 recording, which is there on the homepage, in the homepage of this course, or it is also there in the YouTube, as you know. Please go there, refer there. If there are any doubts, please come back. We'll be able to kind of cover that. But definitely what I suggest is, those are all the basic ones. Please revisit class 1. It is there in the class 1 of Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Please refer the recordings there. You will be able to find out. While panelists are repeating, voice or either mixed or not clear. Also, there is echo in the background. Yes, this is, I guess, coming repeatedly. We will try to address that. So starting next week, while repeating, there are also other suggestions that while the panelists are repeating, there are also the other suggestions that have come. We will try to incorporate some of those and try to be little more effective. And also on the echo and the network, we will try to address that in the next class when we are teaching the new slokas. Thank you for the suggestion. In first and second slokas, I guess here they're referring to the first and second slokas that we learned in the last class. The padas are too long. Breath is not enough for us. Can you also mention where to pause if we don't have enough breath to finish the whole pada? This is definitely the challenge which many of us face. If you go to the previous, not the last class, but previous sloka, when I first taught the sloka, what I did was, we had split each word of the shloka, and then we learned the shloka. So if you go to that, which I guess that is class number 6, in the class 6 we learned the Kshiro Danvat Pradeshe. Word by word I have split, and there you can definitely learn it. So you can, if you're not able to tell the full line, you can split the word and then tell. Again, I repeat, this is only till the time you practice. While you're practicing, try to increase your breath and then try to tell the full shloka, full line as much as possible. I understand it is difficult for many of us, but as you try practicing, it will come. But definitely do not leave, oh, it is breath is not enough for us, I will split and tell. Yes, definitely start with that, but slowly try adding um, 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words. But in the end, you will definitely realize that over a period of week or two, you will be surprised to see that you will be able to tell the full line. So please practice that. But till that time, the word split is there in class 6. And also maybe while when we reach that shloka, we'll try if we can revisit that also. But in class 6, I've split that in word by word. You can revisit visit there. Is it possible to upload the recording sooner? um, Definitely yes, we will try to do it. Due to some constraints we are not able to, but we will definitely try to upload the recording as soon as possible. Yes, we will do that. Thanks for the suggestion. Can we create Google Sheet to track the raise hand practicing in the class? Good suggestion again. This is, I understand many of us, while raising the hands, we don't get chance to chant the shloka, practice the shloka. But at the same time, there could be people who are getting chance maybe after 2 class, 3 class or so. I had a similar experience with my guru who was teaching me. And when I kind of had a similar experience, my guru's response was, if you have time to kind of create a sheet or track the sheet, spend that time on chanting or practicing yourself 1 or 2 more shlokas. So my response will be the same as per my guru, that we will focus more on learning the shloka, chanting more shlokas, and try to reduce as much as creating the administration around this. In fact, there was also suggestion, can we create a WhatsApp group so that we can record and send it to you, etc. um, Again, there my response was same, that we will try to reduce all these things, and if we have those 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes, how much ever time it takes, we'll try to focus on chanting or learning the shlokas. I understand we not everyone gets a chance to practice here, but if you are not able to get, if you raise your hand and don't get chance for next, let's say 2-3 weeks, please write to me an email. I will make a note of it and try to give you a chance in the upcoming classes. Thank you. With that, we will start the chant practice. I guess we took 10 minutes for this. Hope people are raising hands, and there we will go. I'm just going by the order it is showing in the name here. I'll go by that, and then I can you can whichever the shloka that is there on the screen, you can start chanting that. Start with Lochani Subramanyam. Lochani Subramanian.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, the first
Namaskara.
shloka, please. Namaskara.
Om Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanan Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye.
Uttamam. The anuswaras and the anuswaras definitely you had looked into, but you can also next time when you're focusing, telling, you can also focus on the Mahapranas. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam. So if you can look at the Mahapranas also, that will be all the more yeah, all the more apt. Thank you. Radha Suresh.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Same shloka.
Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopashantaye.
Uttamam. Same feedback. Prasanna Vadanan Dhyayet. Dha is a Mahaprana there. Sarva Vignopa Shantaye. Gha is Mahaprana there. Next time when you're chanting, you can definitely make a note of those things. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sudha K. Sudha K.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. You can tell this. Can you chant the same shloka? Shuklam Baradharam.
Yes. Om Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye.
Uttamam. Only with small input there. Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet, which is, that's what you told, which is correct. But since there is Anuswara, when we join, it becomes Prasanna Vadanan Dhyayet. Just keep that in mind next time when you're chanting. You
Sir,
can mute
one more.
yourself. We will come back to you. Yes, we will come back to you later. Velayutam.
Hello.
Namaste. You can tell the next
Ram
shloka.
Ram.
Narayan. Ram Ram Ram. Next shloka.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Very good. Rushil Srinivas. Rushil
Ram Ram Ram.
Srinivas. Ram Ram Ram. Same shloka. Narayanan.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्.
There in the second line, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam. There is Dirgha there. If you can note that, that will be all the more good. Narayana Namaskritya Naran Chaiva Narottamam, line 1 was correct. Devim Saraswatim, there Dirgha is there. You can just make a note of those things. That will be good. You
Okay,
can mute yourself. Swati Krishna,
Sir, Ram Ram Ram.
Ram. Same. Slow. Narayanan Namaskritya.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्.
Uttamam.
Thank you, sir.
Pramod KM. Narayanan Namaskritya. Pramod KM. Okay. I can't hear you.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्.
Uttamam. Shri Keshava. Next, Vyasam.
व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातन्तपोनिधिम्.
Uttamam. Uma. It's written Uma 5.
Yes, Vyasam, yeah, Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajan Vande Shukatatantapo Nidhim.
Uttamam. Good try there. Only there Parasharatmajam Vande. Parasharatmajam Vande. So it will be Parasharatmajam Vande. There I guess I didn't hear correctly. If you can tell only the second line again.
Maja im, or how do we exactly say that?
Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatantapo Nidhim.
Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatantapo Nidhim.
Uttamam. You can mute yourself. Mai. I guess hopefully I'm pronouncing the name correct.
Hello?
Yes. Can you chant the shloka? Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram.
Sure. Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasaratmajan Vande Shukatatantaponithim.
Uttamam. The only one small, this one is, I heard as Parasaratmajam. It is Sha. Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatantaponidhim. Uttamam. Otherwise it was good.
Thank you.
You can mute yourself. Mahalakshmi Balaji. Same shloka.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatantaponidhim.
Uttamam. There I could see some mother tongue influence which you overcame, which was really good. Chitra Tyagarajan, the next sloka.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Vyasaya Vishnurupaaya Vyasarupaaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanitaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
There is only one Mahaprana here, Vasishtaya. I guess that was not seen. Otherwise, it was right. Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha, which was good. You can keep that in mind next time. Raja Lakshmi Krishnamurti. Same shloka.
हरि ओम्
Hari Om.
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः
Uttamam.
धन्यवादः
Mohana Valambe.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Vyasaya
Say,
Vishnu Rupaya.
okay. Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahma Nidhaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
Same there. Vasishtaya.
Vasishtaya.
Tha is a Mahaprana there. Vasishtaya Namo Namaha. Uttamam.
Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
Uttamam. Very good. You can mute yourself. Padma Priya Srinivasan. Avikaraya.
अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने तदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे विष्णवे
It was I was not able to hear very clearly, but it was good. I could hear it, and it was not very loud, but it was good. Perfect. Anish Koluri. Avikaraya.
अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे
Uttamam. My sincere request is after you chant, you can please mute yourself. I will not be able to mute and then move on to the next one. Please mute yourself after you have chanted. Thank you. Anish, can you repeat the shloka once again? Because there was some background noise I couldn't hear. I guess somebody else is also. Yes. All of you can go mute yourself, please. Yes, I could still hear some noise. Okay, which is good. Anish is done. Geeta Shekhar.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Avikaraya Shuddhaya.
Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sataika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. Sambhavi Shivakumar.
Namaste Mahoday.
Namaste. Yasya Smarana Matrena.
Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Sansara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave. Om Namo Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Apart from Sambhavi Shivakumar, somebody else is also on unmute. I'm not sure who is that. So if you can mute yourself, I can hear two, one male voice and one female voice. So if you can mute, that will be helpful. I can hear. Who is this?
विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे बन्धनात्
Somebody is
विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे.
Okay, now I'm trying to find out who is this. Can all of you mute yourself? Somebody is on unmute. I can't see who is this, who's on mute. Chitra Tyagarajan Mami, I guess you were on mute. Okay. Kshamyatam for this. I will come back. Okay, Sambhavi Shivakumar, if you can repeat the shloka again. Yasya Smarana Matrena.
Mahoday. यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. You can mute yourself. Chandrika Parasuraman. Yeah, same shloka. Yasya Smarana Matrena.
नमस्ते महोदय
Namaste,
राम
namaste.
राम यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे
Uttamam.
धन्यवाद
Kommi Malakundaya. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya. I am having one request, Mahodaya. Whatever the slokas completed so far, kindly Bhavan Ekavaram Utsarayati Chet Vayam Punaccharanam Kartum Saralam Bhavati iti Mama Suchana Mahodaya. Tadaiva.
Dhanyavadaha Uttamam. Definitely, we will do that. Yavat Sakyam Tavat Karomi. Parantu Adyatana Kaksha Madhye, just for the benefit of all, the request is that if I can tell all the slokas of whatever is taught now, then it will be easy for practice. Yes, I will do it. Maybe after the end of today's class, or maybe in the end of next class, I will, whatever the slokas are told, everything I will tell so that all of you can listen and practice it. I will definitely.
Astu Mahodaya, Dhanyavadaha.
Yes, yes, Smarana Matrena, if you can chant now.
यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे
Uttamam. Only there is one slight input. I heard it as Janma Samsara Bandhanat. Ba is not. Ba is Alpa Prana. It is Bandhanat. Otherwise, it was perfect, which is really good.
Chanted Mahaprana. Shamyatam.
No problem. No problem. You can mute yourself. Shamala Rajagopalan. You are self-muted, I guess. Shamala Rajagopalan. Ram. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha Shruttva Dharmana Sheshena Pavanani Cha Sarvashah Yudhishthirah Shantanavam Punarevabhyabhashata.
Uttamam. Maybe next time when you're saying Yudhishthirah, so there are two Mahapranas there. If you can focus on that, that will be good. Dhanyawad. Okay. Otherwise, it is perfect.
Dhanyawad.
Hari Sundaresan.
Shri Vaishampayana.
Namaskar.
Yeah. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha Srutva Dharmana Sesena Pavanani Sarvasah Yudhishthirah Shantanavam Punareva Abhyabhashata.
Maybe I will teach once. If you can repeat along after me, that will be good. I will teach once. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha
Shrutva Dharmana Sheshena
Srutva Dharmana Sheshena
Pavanani Cha Sarvashah
Pavanani Cha Sarvashah
Yudhishthira Shantanavam Punareva
Abhyabhashata.
Uttamam. So as I said in the beginning, we will also try to kind of see our mother tongue influence, and then it will come. But as we practice, we can definitely overcome that. It was good try, definitely. Thank you. You can mute yourself. Satyabhama I guess you have self-muted. Satyabhama Valakudi. I guess I
Namaskara.
pronounced. Namaskara. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत. नमस्कार.
Namaskara. I heard it as it was good, definitely good. Thanks for chanting. Dharmana sheshena. It is not seshena. Sha. It is sha na. Sheshena. Dharmana sheshena. Okay. You can if that one. If you can focus, that will be good. You can mute yourself. Priya Muralidharan. Same shloka. I guess you are self-muted.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskara. Ha.
श्रीवैश्यनुपावाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरशान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषतः.
Bhashata is not there. Bhashata, that's all. Can you say Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha only once again?
श्रीवैश्यनुपायनुवाच
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
श्रीवैश्यनुपायुवाच.
I'm not sure if it is the network issue. I'm not able to hear. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
श्रीवैश्यन उवाच. श्रीवैश्यन once again.
No problem. Take your time.
श्रीवैशम्पायनुवाच.
Perfect. That's what. That's perfect.
श्रीवैशम्पायनुवाच.
Yeah, na full letter there. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha, which is good. Perfect. Sometimes it happens. So no problem.
Vaishampayana Vacha.
Very good. Otherwise the sloka was perfect. You can mute yourself. Krishna Harave. Krishna Harave. Shri Yudhishthira Uvacha.
Shri Yudhishthira Uvacha. Kimekam daivatam loke kim vapyekam parayanam stuvantah kankamarchantah prapnuyurmanavah shubham.
Uttamam. Maybe you can go little slow so that others also can follow, but it was definitely it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Brinsin, same shloka. You can mute yourself, Krishna Harve Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Brinsin. I heard the name last time, but I forgot again. Yes. Shri Yudhishthira Uvacha.
Namaskara Mahodaya, Brinda Srinivasan.
Brinda Srinivasan.
Yudhishthira Uvacha. Kimekam daivatan loke kim vapyekam parayanam sugandah kankamarchantah prapniyurmanava shubham.
Uttamam. Stuvantah kankamarchantah. I heard a stuvantah. So there ta stuvantah kankamarchantah. Otherwise it was perfect. Correct. Perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Shamitam. Rame Rand. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yes.
Yeah.
Kodharmaha.
Okay. Kodharma sarva dharmanam bhavata paramo matah kim jat tanmucche jantu janma samsara bandhanat.
I will maybe you can try the second line again. Kinjapan muchyate jantuhu.
Kimjaptan muchyate jantuhu janma samsara bandhanat.
Uttamam. Kim Japan मुच्यते किंजपन मुच्यते जंतुः जन्म संसार बंधनात्. Just practice that, it will be good. Thank you, thanks for that. Pavitra Krishnan, same shloka. Pavitra Krishnan. I guess you are self muted. Oh, Kshamyatam.
Mukte.
I'm not sure. Pavitra Krishnan. Pavitra Krishnan, you are self muted now. Ko dharmaha. Namaste, namaste. Ko dharmaha sarvadharmanam. You can tell the shloka. I can hear you.
को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवद परमो मदः किं जन्मुच्यते जन्तुः जन्म संसार बन्धनात्.
Uttamam. Again, mother tongue influence. I could see some of the letters. Just try to practice dharmaha, jantuhu, bhavatah. Those things. Ko dharmaha sarvadharmanam bhavatah paramo matah kinjapan muchyate jantuhu janma samsara bandhanat. Uttamam. Urmi Shial. Same shloka. Ko dharmaha.
को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किञ्जपन्मुच्यते जन्तु जन्म संसारबन्धनात्.
Can you repeat the second line again?
किञ्जपन्मुच्यते जन्तु जन्म संसारबन्धनात्.
There it is jantuhu kinjapan muchyate jantuhu janma samsara bandhanat. Otherwise it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Subramanian, yes. Shri Bhishma Uvacha. I guess you are self muted.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Shri Bhishma Uvacha.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Jagatprabhum Devadevam Anandam Purushottamam Stuvannama Sagasrena Purushash Sadatottitah.
Uttamam. Again, same as I said in the other shloka, the mother tongue influence, those things, if you can note, Jagat Prabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam, things like that.
Purushottamam Stuvannama Sagasrena Purushasadat Sahasrena Purushasadattitah.
Satatottitah.
Satatottitah.
Uttamam. Very good. There you go.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawadaha. Mahalakshmi. Say, Shri Bhishma Uvacha.
Yeah. Shri Bhishampavacha Jagatprabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam Suvarnanama Sahasrena Purushah Satototitah.
Slowly, can you tell the shloka, same shloka slowly? Shri Bhishma Uvacha. Slowly.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Jagatprabhum Devadevam Anantah Purushottamam Suvarnanama Sahasrena Purushah Satatotitah.
Uttamam. Good try. Anantam there. Anantam Purushottamam. Stuvan Nama Sahasrena. There is two, 1.5 only there. Stuvan Nama Sahasrena Purushah Satatotthitah. Uttamam. Good try. You can focus on those things. Thank you. P. Venkataraman. P. Venkataraman. I guess you are on self mute.
तमेव चार्चयन्नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययं ध्यायन् स्तुवन्नमस्यश्च यजमानस्तमेव च.
Uttamam. I guess it is also You've said exactly perfectly the way I have taught. It is namasyamscha, namasyamscha, while I also kind of make that mistake of namasyanscha. So there I can hear na there. It is not na, namasyamscha. Yajamanastame vacha. Can you tell only the second line again?
ध्यायन् स्तुवन् नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Bhavani.
Yes, Namo Mahodaya.
Next sloka. Anadinidhanam.
अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिको भवेत्.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. Ashok Gutsurkar.
Yeah, sir, I will repeat this shloka. There is Brahmanyam. Should I repeat?
Brahmanyam, please, sir.
Okay.
Please, Mahodaya.
Brahmanyam sarvadharmadhyam lokanam kirtivardhanam lokanatham mahadbhutam prabhuta bhavodbhavam lokanatham mahadbhutam prabhuta bhavodbhavam.
Uttamam, Uttamam, Uttamam.
But
Dhanyawad.
one doubt. See, you are highlighting the Mahaprana, and also you are highlighting some other this one. What are the other things which you are highlighting?
So there are predominantly three things that I'm highlighting in the shloka that I guess I repeated in the last class. The one is the Anuswara, second is the Mahaprana, and the third is any other speciality which we have explained in the class 1. Like if it is Visarga with Sa, Visarga with Sha, any of those things that we are that I'm highlighting. So when I go to each of the shlokas, I will tell what is the highlight for. So predominantly it will be Anuswara and Visarga, Anuswara, Visarga and Mahaprana. These are the three things that I will highlight usually.
Yeah, that I can understand, but what is the other thing I couldn't understand. One more thing is there you are highlighting. One more thing. One is the Mahaprana, another is Anuswara and Visarga, and one more thing you are highlighting.
If there are any other, so let's say Visarga is followed with Sa, Visarga followed with Sha, or if there are any other peculiarity which we have discussed in class 1, the pronunciation tips, those things I highlight. Otherwise, it is predominantly these are the three major things that I highlight.
Okay, thank you. Then one more question. See, in the Dhyana shlokas, Vishwanathan has explained these two big shlokas. That how can I see the, how can I listen to the audio of his explanation? Because I could not understand properly and remember properly also. So I want to repeat that audio. How can I do that? I don't know.
The recorded version of it is there on the course page of this or on YouTube. It is there in both, so you can go back and you can hear to those explain those meanings, meanings or explanations again and again. It is there on YouTube. It is also there on the course page. If you go there, I guess it was on class 6. If you click on class 6, the audio is there. You can listen to it.
But I have tried that. When I go to that class 6 and see that, I don't know what to click and what to somehow I'm not so familiar with the this laptop. So
sure, no problem. So if you can write me an email, Mahodaya, on this email here, yatirajan.vyoma, I will send you the link and what to click on that also. I will send it to you. You can click on that. It will say you. If you can just send me an email.
I will do it. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyawadaha. Dhanyawadaha. Suvarna Sudagoni.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनं लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम्.
Uttamam. Very good. You
can
mute yourself. Sita Shankar. Self-muted.
Hello.
Esha me sarva dharmanam.
Esha me sarva dharmanam dharmo dvikatamo matah. यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा
Uttamam.
Shall I read it again, please? Yesha
Sure.
me sarvadharmanam dharmodikatamo matah yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavairachere sada. I have a difficult stavairacher.
Stavairarchenara sada.
Stavairachere. The ear comes after the before the ra. After the ra.
After, correct, after that.
Stavairarchere.
Stavairarchenara sada.
Okay, I'm getting confused by the ear sound on top. Stavai, because in Tamil it comes afterwards, so here it's confusing there. Stavairarchenarastada.
Correct. That's correct.
Stavairarchenarasada. Thank you very much.
Uttamam. Very good. Good try. So now you also know what was mistake and you corrected yourself, which was definitely very good.
Thank you.
Manya Umesh, same shloka.
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा.
Uttamam. Gayatri Gopal. Paramanyo Mahattejaha. I can't hear you.
Paramanyo Mahatteja. Paramanyo Mahattapa. Paramanyo Mahatteja. Paramanyo Mahattapa. Paramanyo Mahatbrahma. Paramam Yah Parayanam.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good.
Paramanyo Mahattapa. Paramanyo Mahatbrahma. Paramam Yah Parayana.
Perfect, Mahodaya. Perfect, Mahodaya. Thank you. Lata Sundaram. Pavitranam.
Okay, I'll do it. Pavitrana. Sorry, one second. Pavitranam pavitranyo mangalanam cha mangalam. Daivatam daivatanam cha bhutanam yo yafpita.
Uttamam. Pavitranam pavitranyo mangalanam. It is la. Yara la. Mangalanam cha mangalam. Which is otherwise it is perfectly okay. Right. Perfectly okay. Malela. I guess I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the word your name correctly. Malela.
Yeah, Malela.
Okay.
Ram
Yatah
Ram.
Sarvani. Ram.
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवत्यादिमु युगागमे यस्मिन् च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेवागमये युगक्षये
Uttamam.
Sarvani Bhutani Yugarame.
Okay. I'm not sure if I missed somebody. Pratibha.
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये.
There, this is the same. Yasminscha pralayam yanti. There is no nakara. I could hear nakara there. Yasminscha pralayanti. Can you repeat the full shloka again?
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये.
Uttamam. Next is Deepa Lakshmi Hariharan.
नमस्ते महोदय।
Namaste. Tasya loka pradhanasya.
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्।
Uttamam. Kavya Srinivas.
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये.
You also only need to focus on the Mahapranas there. There are Mahapranas. Yani namani gaunani vikhyatani. Kha is a Mahaprana there. Mahatmanaha. Rushibhihi parigitani tani vakshami bhutaye. Can you repeat once again?
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये.
Uttamam. Very good. Thank you. The name written here is Deku. I'm not sure what the name is. Yes, Rushir Namnam.
सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दो अनुष्टुप्तदा देव भगवान् देवकीसुतः.
Uttamam. Thank you. Only thing there is when we join and say we don't split there. We say Chando Nushtuptatha Devaha. So we don't say Chando Anushtup, which is also right. But when we join and say, we say it as Chando Nushtuptatha Devaha Bhagavan Devaki Sutaha. Otherwise, other things are perfectly okay. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm going back into the list. People who have already got chance, if you can unraise your hand, I will go back and see whoever has not got the chance. I will go back to them again. Shubhada L.
हरि ओम महोदय।
Hari Om. Amrutam Shudbhavo.
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः त्रिसामा हृदयं तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते।
Which is definitely good. Trisama Hridayam Tasya, which is also correct. When we join and say, we say it as Trisama Hridayantasya Shantyarthe Viniyujyate, which is correct. Thank you.
त्रिसामा हृदयं तस्य। अस्तु, धन्यवादः महोदय।
Dhanyawada. Priya Krishnan, I'm not sure if you got the chance. Vishnun Jishnum.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste. Did you get the chance earlier?
No, I didn't get the chance.
Vishnun Jishnum, please go ahead.
Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabha Vishnum Maheswaram Aneka Rupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam.
Uttamam. Very good.
Dhanyavada.
Aryahi Krishna. You're self-muted. Aryahi Krishna, are you there? Looks like not. Okay. Somebody is still on unmute. Please mute yourself. Hamsa Sarkar.
Hari Om Mahodaya.
Hari Om. Om Asya Shri Vishnu.
ॐ अस्य श्रीर्विष्णोर्दिव्यसहस्रनामस्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य श्रीवेदव्यासो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः श्रीमहाविष्णुः परमात्मा श्रीमन्नारायणो देवता.
Uttamam, Uttamam, very good. You can mute yourself. Priya Muralidharan. Priya Muralidharan, yourself. Amrutamshudbhavo.
अमृतांशुद्भवो भानुरिति बीजं देवकी नन्दन सृष्टेति शक्तिः उद्भव शोभनो देव इति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खभृग्नन्दकी चक्रीति कीलकम्.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Hari Sundaresan. Hari Sundaresan. Sharngadanva.
Namaskaram. I've already had to go.
Oh, you already had? No problem. And since I've called the name, it's okay. No problem. Sharngadanva. You can chant this shloka once again.
Okay.
Sharngadanva gadadhara ityastram.
Sharngadanva gadadhara ityastram. Gadadhara ityastram. Ratangapani rakshobhya iti netram. Trisama samaha sameti kavacham. Anandam parabrahmeti yonihi.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Thank you. You can mute yourself. Radha Satish. I guess you're self-muted. Radha Satish. Looks like Radha Satish. Rutu Sudarshanaha.
नमस्कार महोदय.
Namaskara.
ऋतुसुदर्शन काल इति दिग्बन्धः श्री विश्वरूप इति ध्यानं श्री महाविष्णु प्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनाम पारायणे विनियोगः.
Uttamam. Vipin V.
अतध्यानम् श्रीरेदन्व प्रदेशे.
I will teach once. You can. I will teach the first line. You can repeat. Shirodanvat Pradeshe.
Shirodanva Pradeshe.
Shuchimani Vilasatsaikate.
Suchimani Vilasatsaikate.
Mauktikanam. Mala Kliptasanasthaha. Spatika Maninibhaihi. Mauktikir Manditangaha. Shubhrairabhrairadabhraihi.
Shubhrairabhrairadabhraihi. Radabhraihi.
Upari virachitaihi. Slowly, no problem. Upari virachitaihi. Virachitaihi.
उपरि विरचितैः
मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः
मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः
आनन्दीनः
आनन्दीनः
पुनीयादरिनलिन
पुनीयादरि नलिन
गदाशङ्खपाणिः
गदाशङ्खपाणिः
मुकुन्दः
मुकुन्दः
Uttamam. You can practice that way, it will be good. I go back to the comment during the question it came. While I taught now also, I have split the word. So wherever you feel it is easy for you, you can split there and you can use there. And then as you progress, you can start telling the full shloka. Thank you. You can mute yourself. Kripalini. Oh, we are 8:30. We will take 2 more minutes. Kripalini, Bhupadavyasya. Can you try?
भूपादौ वियदसुर सूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाचा शिरोद्यौ मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेन मब्धिः अन्तस्तं विश्वसुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यं यथेतं त्रिभुवरवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि.
Uttamam. In the fast forward mode, there were some letters that were missed. Otherwise, which was definitely good. There were many words which you pronounced really good. There were some letters which you missed, which you need to kind of focus on. Bhupadavyasya nabhirvyadasura nilaschandra suryau cha netre karnavashaha shirodyaurmukhamapi dahano yasya vasteyam abdihi. So there were some letters which were missed there. Next time when you're telling, you can chant all the letters. You can go little slowly. That will be good. Thank you. Mahalakshmi Balaji. Not sure if you got the chance. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
I got the chance already. Can I repeat?
Sure, no problem. Now that I have called your name, please go ahead.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharan Gagana Sadrusham Meghavarnan Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanai Yogihrit Jnanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayagaram Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham.
Uttamam. Good try. Very good. Yadugiri. I guess you're self-muted. Meghashyamam. Namaskar. Meghashyamam.
मेघश्यामं पीतकौसेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्गं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गं पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायदाक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
Uttamam. Just ensure keep a note or focus on the mother tongue influence that you might have on letters like tha and other things. Otherwise, it should be okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Saurabha V. I guess you are on mute. You have to unmute. Namah samasta bhutanam.
नमः समस्तभूतानां माधिभूताय भूकृते अनेकरूपरूपाय
विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे
विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे.
उत्तमम्. When we say Namah Samasta Bhutanam, then we say Adi Bhutaya. Namah Namah Samasta Bhutanam Adi Bhutaya Bhubhrite. You can just make a note on that. Otherwise, it was good. Definitely. Very good. Thank you. ASKSVM. I'm not sure what the name is. ASKSVM. Ha.
नमस्कारं महोदय.
Namaskara. Sashanka Chakram.
सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम्.
Uttamam. Very good. Thank you. Anjana Devi. I guess you are on self-mute. Anjana Devi. Chayayam.
Hello.
Namaste.
छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्यामम् आयताक्षमलङ्कृतं चन्द्राननं च दुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये.
Maybe you can focus on the Mahaprana Aksharas. Rukmini Satya Bhamabhyam Sahitam. It is again, I heard as little the there. Sahitam Krishna Mashtraye. Those things you can kind of keep a note on. Thank you. I guess with that, which is we have come to the end of the shloka, and also we are already 7 minutes late. I repeat, next week is also a repeat class. I request all the other participants who have not got the chance today for them to raise your hand. People who have got chance today, please do not raise your hands. Others, please raise your hands and practice and come. What I will also do is next week, since it is already late today, next week I will try to tell all the shlokas so that you can hear once for all and could help in the practice, right? Again, request for all the other participants, please practice and come next week and we will chant, and after that we will move to the Sahasranama starting from Vishnu Satkaro from there. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. As request in all the classes, continue your chanting or the prayers for the Loka Kshema. Please, if you can chant Vishnu Sahasranama every day, which is really good. If you're not able to, please listen to Vishnu Sahasranama every day. That will bring health and safety to you, your family, and for the entire world. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Ram Ram Ram. Namaste.
Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Ram Ram Ram. Ram Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Ram Ram sir.